Oh my god, I think I literally sound like Adele. Oh my gosh, I feel like ASMR. And let me see the woman that is with. I got a couple of
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do it.
my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back here after over a month of not putting up content on this channel. I'm really sorry about that. My name is Wumi. For those of you who are popping up on my channel for the first time, this is the Wumi's Talk Show, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got a lavalier mic, Boya Lavalier mic from Cindy's Creation. I don't know if you can see that. I got, oh my god, can you see it? I don't know if it's bright enough, but yeah. I got it for 7,500 naira from an Instagram vendor. I went to pick up from the store at Magada. And in today's video, I'm basically going to be doing the unboxing, and I'm also going to be doing the difference between I'm making this video right now without the mic, and I'm also going to make a video with the mic so that you can test and see the difference in the sound and why you actually need a lavalier mic as a YouTuber or a podcaster. If you want to know how to use a lavalier mic, or you are looking for the type of lavalier mic to buy, or you're looking for a microphone that suits your iPhone or your Android, well, this video is for you. And if you watch to the end, you're going to see me unbox a Boya Lavalier microphone. ASMR. I like the way they do it. But anyways, that's not what we're doing today, so. Oh my god, do I have to like see? Comes in a bag like this. Oh yeah. And comes with a pack, a manual. And guys, see the tips and how to put on your lavalier mic and everything you need to know about the microphone is in here. Wow, there's a warranty. Oh my gosh, there's a warranty here, a warranty card, but a 1-year warranty card for the microphone. That's why you need to buy Boya. Only Boya will give you warranty. I'm not sure of that though. I'm so excited. Wow. You don't understand why I am wowing. But I have not like untangled these wires. They are very long. I can really use this to do a street interview or a vox pop with the lens. Guy, it's extremely long. Look at it. It's extremely long. See, I see. This is the clip. This is the clip of the microphone. Packs like this. Insert here. This is the mic. The clip will be somewhere around. So because I took my time to read the manual and everything, I know that this works with a battery, and this is where the battery is. You know, it's new, so the battery is obviously there, fixed and okay. But I'm just showing you. Okay, the battery is not there. I think the battery is here. The battery is here and I have to fix it. So this is where you put your battery. So when you this is it. Have you seen it? You open it from here, and then this is where you put your battery. Can you see? So let's unpack this. Let me hear you guys. And let me see the woman that is with. I got a couple of They can't touch me. Oh, that song has been playing in my head for days, guy. If it's not just me, oh my god. I was already looking for this. I was like, where is this phone going to be? I'm not the one that has to buy it, but look at what was here. Have you seen this? The clip and the battery. And there's also a connector. I think if you want to connect to a camera. Have you seen it? This is something that would help you if you want to connect the mic with the camera, DSLR camera. So let's get started. I'm excited because I finally bought my mic. I've been looking for a perfect place to buy it, but I finally got somewhere, so we will not be. Hope you guys can see. This is it. I've fixed the battery. So I'm going to close it up. I'm going to close it up. So yeah, I've closed it up. I can't wait. I can't wait to be back. I know you miss me. I know. That also has also been in my head. So I'm going to wear this for. This is the foam. This is the mic, and this is the mic cover. And let me see the nigga that she's with. So I kind of fixed the foam off camera because my nails were preventing me from actually fixing, and it was taking over an hour for me to fix it with my nails on camera. So I just called my sister to help me, like assist me with fixing the foam off camera. So yeah. Then I'm trying to fix this is the clip. This is the clip. Have you seen it? So you're going to attach this side of the clip here. Ta-da! Have you seen it? This is what it's gonna look like. Everything that's inside this, you have this, inside this, you have the foam and you have the clip. And you also have this in case you want to connect to your DSLR camera. So here's one thing you need to note for iPhone users that want to use Boya Lavalier Microphone. You can see that it came with an Android mouth. If I have an Android phone, it would perfectly work. I don't need to mount anything to it. But I've forgotten the exact word they call it. This, oh God. Can you guys see it? This is my Android mouth. My iPhone is too bright. Okay, you can see it now. Have you seen it? This one. I'd need to connect. You need to have this. So you need to have it if you're using iPhone, because this is an Android mouth. Like I said earlier, I can't remember the name, but I'm going to put it down in the description box, and I'm going to tell you where you can get one for. It's quite expensive. So this is my Android mouth. Can you see? Can you see? So it would thereby connect with my iPhone. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's it. So we're going to fix in the mic. We're ready to see what happens. I'm excited. I can't wait for my voice to be sounding like. Forgive me. Okay, so let's try the setup and see the difference. Hello everyone. I hope you can hear me. Hear me now, because I am not on your level. Hello everyone. I hope I am really talking to you and like you can properly hear me, because I feel like the mic is kind of not working, or I'm not feeling the effect of the mic because there's no so much difference in my voice. Can you? Oh my god, I think I literally sound like Adele. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm not promoting Boya mic, but good gracious. I automatically just feel like I sound like Adele. I don't know. I've not listened to the difference between. I'm just trying to test the mic before I now insert it so that I will not insert it finish and then you guys will see that it's not working or there's no difference. So I wanted to test it first and I'm still going to put out this video and then I'm going to insert it. I'm wearing a gown. Welcome back, guys. Okay, it was pretty dramatic. The whole process, like me trying to first of all fix the lap. Okay, no, me trying to see if the mic was actually working and if there was actually a difference, so that I don't go and make a fool out of myself here. And so it was a dramatic moment for me because I could hear my voice and I'm like, oh, you sound like a. I was so excited, but like, I really could see that the microphone amplified my voice. It cleared all sorts of background noise. And jeez, Boya is too good. No, I'm serious. I've used it another brand of mic for my podcast, and I don't think it's as clear as Boya. And I was doubting that it was going to work because, you know, I didn't know that this particular microphone worked with iPhone. I thought it was just Android, and I just bought it because I know that I had that little thing that I could connect to it that would, you know, connect to my iPhone. But then I was skeptical that would it work, would it not work? And it did, guys. Okay, let me know down below in the comment section if you can actually tell the difference between before I used the mic and now that I'm using the mic. Because I've inserted, can you guys even see the mic? Like, it's so hidden. I will put a video of me struggling to insert the mic because it wasn't all that easy. The wire is so long. I'm telling you that if this ring light was 10, 20, 50, whatever inches apart, it was still going to get here. The mic, the wires are so long and it's, I wanted to say it's fucking adorable. It's adorable, honestly. I love it. It's awesome. But anyways, if you have any questions regarding this microphone, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm an expert in this now. But yeah, I would recommend this 20 times over and over again. Look at it. You can hardly see the wire. I wish I did not wear black today. I mean, the fact that I'm wearing black makes the mic more invincible compared to if I was wearing other colors, so that you see how it will actually look. But I'm wearing black and like I can't even see the mic. It's so hidden, so you have to fix it in a way that people will not see it. I took it from underneath and I dragged it up. The wire is very long, so you don't have to worry about anything, and I clipped it. My new mic, gosh. I don't have to be shouting and straining my voice again. Like, I can literally just say, hello guys. You will hear me clearly. Or I can say, babies, can you guys hear me? Stop it. Okay, guys. I'm really excited to have gotten a mic. Don't worry, you'll be seeing more vox pops, you'll be seeing more entertaining videos, and my sound will be just clearer than it was before. If you're looking for where to purchase this Boya mic, I'm going to put the link down below in the description box. This is not a paid promotion or paid advert. I just did it out of the goodness of my heart. I hope you found this video helpful. Yeah, I unboxed a Boya microphone lavalier mic. I unboxed a Boya Lavalier microphone. And I'm so excited. Tell me if you can see the difference. See, oh my god. Tell me if you can hear the difference in the sound from when I started the video to this point. Do you think there was a difference in the sound? Let me know down below in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and you gained a lot, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. That comment is what makes me know and feel that yes, you at least gained something and I wasn't just talking to myself. So that comment is very important, as much as sharing it and showing all of your other friends. My name is Okewumi. This is the Wumi's Talk Show. And subscribe for more amazing content. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.